What's good, y'all?
Hey.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Bianca.
As y'all already know, man.
Y'all knew that.
I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a while. People been asking here and there, man.
We ain't forget about you.
Yeah.
At all.
We just been busy. You know how life go.
It's been real hectic,
Yeah.
but good things too. I mean, you got your braces off.
I mean, I know y'all see me.
I got into all the colleges I applied to.
Yeah.
What else? We've been doing concerts. We've been living life, y'all. But we ain't forget about you. And
No,
we
never.
got a story. Like, we gonna take you on a trip right now. We got something good for you. It's our trip to Hawaii. And let me tell you, it's real juicy.
Real juicy.
But we got a proposition for you.
Listen up.
It was just so much going on. We had to split it into part 1 and part 2. So, what we need you to do, let's just do everybody the favor, right? For part 1, we gonna need 125 views within 24 hours.
Exactly.
If you could do that, then guess who gets part 2 right after that? Y'all do.
Exactly.
Okay? Part 2, that's the best part. That's what everybody's gonna want to see. Is real good, y'all.
Yeah, man.
But we gonna need your help. So you're just gonna have to like, comment, subscribe, share, send it to your grandma, send it to your niece, send it to your son, your nephew, everybody gonna want to see it. You know, we need your help though.
Shout out to the people that have been watching our other videos,
course.
you know, liking, getting our views up and stuff, man. We appreciate that, man. That's what's up. Like,
We notice all of you. I
That's
appreciate
what's up.
it.
Keep
for
up
sure.
that hard work, man.
Yep.
So there is a couple things in the videos. Like, we were messing around with the settings and stuff on some of the videos. So some of them gonna be a little bit blurry.
Just a little bit though.
Hopefully y'all
Bear with us.
can bear with us. Yeah, exactly. Other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. You know, show your peoples.
Let's get to it.
Hey.
Stop. Behind the scenes of life in B&B. And he trying to build something to protect our tripod. Look at him go. Look at my man go. Go ahead, Disney. He's been trying to stop the water from hitting this thing for at least 20 minutes now. But that's my baby. Look at, ooh. I didn't know he could hear me.
At the beach in the North Shore.
Big chillin'.
Big chillin'.
It's so nice.
Now what?
It's so nice, guys. I'm about to go to Giovanni's shrimp truck.
Yeah.
Slam me some scrimps, you feel
They
me?
shrimp go crazy.
I need a drink, but other than that, we good over here.
Right. But yeah, y'all, it's our second day here. You know, we didn't record that much yesterday.
We just went to the movies.
Just went to the movies and saw Us. You know, what you thought about? What you thought about Us?
About Us? I thought it was good. I liked Get Out a little bit better, to be honest. But Us, like, once you really sit there and think about it at the end, it's like, damn, that's a good movie, you know?
You know, for y'all who haven't seen it, you should go see it, man. It's pretty cool. It's another one of those thinkers, you know.
It has you like...
You're going to have to watch it more than once just because. It's just like...
Or like
it's like Get Out.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
It's worth the money.
They're going to do it right there. You see him?
What is that? YouTube. Tell me what that is. That.
I don't know what that is. It looks saucy though.
Look at all these surfers.
But, yeah.
Having a good time.
I thought it was pretty cool, you know. It's more of a horror story this time.
Yeah. This one's like Get Out was more of a thriller.
Yeah. So everybody talking about Get Out wasn't scary. It wasn't supposed to be a horror story.
But this one is scary, I think.
Yeah. You know?
It's cool.
It was cool. You feel me?
I feel like there's gonna be a part 2 to it.
Yeah.
There's a lot that was left unsaid.
I hope there's a part 2 to Get Out.
Oh, I know.
That'd be tight.
It's called Go In. There we go. Look at these little eyeballs.
Too stuck to you.
Ew! Don't get so close to my phone. Eat it. I bet you did too.
It was cool.
Okay, let me catch y'all up on something. We came all the way from Honolulu to the North Shore for Giovanni Shrimp Truck.
Yeah.
But we had just eaten before we came to the North Shore, which is like an hour away from where we were, by the way. So we're like, okay, let's walk around and then we'll go to the shrimp truck later. Well, we walked around too damn long. Now I gotta move faster than I've ever moved for some damn shrimp before. But I ain't gonna miss out on no shrimp, okay? So my legs is on fire. They close in like 30 minutes. Not even now. We just walked like 30 minutes. Huh.
Walked a mile.
I'm tired. We walked 1.5 miles for some damn shrimp as fast as I could go. Okay? I'm tired and they better be good. Huh.
What's up, y'all? Feel me? This day 3.
Day 3 of the trip.
Yep. We at the zoo right now, you know.
Yep.
Gotta come check this out.
Gotta go to a luau in a couple hours. It's a good day. He thinks I'm cute. Oh, I lied. He lied. Yes, come to me. Come to me. I want them all. They're so cute. Look at me. I am your mother now. You are my child. Okay, look, you're coming a little too fast.
Yeah, you need to relax.
He's coming in hot. Okay, be cool. I'm not gonna eat my jacket.
He running up on you right now.
He is. I need my jacket. Uh-oh. He said, what's in your
up,
pocket?
bro? I ain't got nothing in my pockets, dude. You better chill out. Oh, what is that?
You can't tell me that don't hurt. Look at all them fat. I told. Oh my god.
Hey, tripping.
I don't like this. This is a pet of you. I don't want to pet that thing. He's psycho. Him. He's a beast.
He ain't doing it
Now you
either.
gonna go beg for her back. I'm sorry, baby. I ain't mean to hit you. It's been a long day at work. Girl, you
This
better
one over
run.
here watching.
Yes, hi, girl.
He just tore her weave out.
Leave him. Oh, dang.
She shouldn't have bounced up here.
How did you know? Ooh.
Hey, in this spot.
How do you not care? You just got snatched ball. Like,
Ain't nothing she could do about it. That's big boss.
he just ripped your whole wig off.
She looking at him like,
That's what I'm
damn.
saying.
Just about that.
These was new bundles. Oh no. Now you got your track showing and all kinds of stuff. A mess.